Well, it's really an interesting story because I am I don't want to say victim, but of a failed implant with someone who didn't really have the experience I think that they probably should have had. It's a process that goes on for years, so you can be in discomfort for a very long time. After I met Dr. Jain and Dr. Gupta, I really felt like they were completely involved, all in on the process. I mean, having their own lab, we all know that kind of equipment is expensive, and someone who wants control over the final product, that's important to me. And someone who sees me as a human, though, not just a product. So it's life-changing to be in that kind of, have received that kind of care. Well, the process happens very fast, so you get your new teeth very fast. And it's actually kind of a shock and an adjustment when you first look at yourself and you see your smile in the mirror, smile that you haven't had for years. And so it's almost a shock effect to say, wow, I look good again. And I feel good. And yeah, so it's a different kind of experience, I have to say. So I'm a marriage and family therapist, and I talk for a living as well as listen. And I have noticed people, kind of noticing my smile. I had some teeth that were mobile and out of place, and so you don't want your clients concentrating on your physical appearance. And so for me now, I can relax more with my clients. I know that they're not wondering about me anymore, and I have a greater sense of confidence that I can smile with a client and not be thinking, or what they're wondering about me. So.